Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa today is going to make something very simple tonight. I don't need to make use of a lot of flavoring. I just need to use one thing, which is this is braised abalone broth. Yeah, this is the braised canned abalone broth, so that you don't really have to add anything else. I'm going to make abalone chicken today. I have one chicken thigh, quite big. This is probably about even 400-500 grams, very big chicken. Cut into chunks, few pieces of ginger, some, I slice up the abalone a bit, yeah. There's 3 pieces of abalone here. And of course, we have 1 full cup of a bowl of the abalone braised sauce. I will not use the whole thing. I'll probably leave some for tomorrow to make some soup or something. Or you can fry veggie as well. First, you want to heat up a little bit of oil. You can see the splattering here because my wok just now has a little bit of water. Never mind. Okay, next thing you put in the chicken and so the ginger. I don't mind giving it a little bit of base flavor here, which is light soy sauce. Let it char a little bit, we'll come back shortly. For those who don't mind taking alcohol, you can actually put in a little bit of Shaoxing wine. This will remove the gaminess of the chicken, should there be any. Next thing, I'm going to add in some abalone sauce. Mix with some hot water. Let me give you a little bit of salt, a little bit of light soy sauce. After you bring this to a boil, cover it with a lid and tune down to medium-low or medium and cook it for about 15 minutes. So this is after approximately 15 minutes. Wow, very, very fragrant. The chicken is definitely cooked. Right now I'm just going to add in the abalone. Give it a few dashes of white pepper, then it is done. This sauce will taste really, really good. I'll probably starch it a little bit, yeah? Right, done. It's okay to be served. Right, so here's our very simple dinner tonight. Abalone with chicken stew. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.